blueYeti. It is the one of the most recognized companies in the USB microphone world, and it is also the most popular microphone for the broadcaster streamers due to excellent quality microphone, and it's about the $129, and it is the mid-range model in the company's lineup, and it is available several colors. So it comes in silver, black, white and cool gray, and I just bought the blackout edition. And hello everyone, this is Akib from iSuperTech, and guys, let's start it. When it comes to quality, blueYeti would be undoubtedly one of the first choices among any other microphones. If you never had a studio mic before, this device may seem a bit larger. blueYeti is made of the solid metal and has very firm build overall. Now it's time to tell about the capabilities. The blueYeti has two parts. The first one, of course, USB that powers the device and sends digital signal to the computer. The model has a standard amplifying rate, which is 16-bit and 48K HZ. The USB cable around 6 foot long, it also included in the package. The other output is a 3.5mm headphone jack, which allowing you to hear exactly what being captured. At the face side, it has a mute button and a volume control. At the back side, there is another control for gaining and a 4-position pattern switch. You may choose between cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, stereo picking patterns. Now I am going to test 4-position pattern switch. So now you are listening from bidirectional mode, and which is for interview, instruments and vocal duet. Let's test out the another mode, which is called the cardioid. And basically cardioid for broadcaster, voiceover and vocals, and as well as instrument. And this is for very useful for noise cancelling. And as you can see, if you sound from behind the microphone, it doesn't capture at all, only capture on the front of the microphone. So then now the omnidirectional, and which is for conference call, field recording and events. On the other side, this is the stereo mode, and which is called the surround sound. As you can see, if I right side and left side from the sound. And that's all about this, the recording mode sound. For voice recording, such as for a podcast, the blueYeti is ideal. Its plug and play design make it versatile, so you can use it with the basically any computer, even if you are bringing it along to use with unfamiliar computer. Sound quality is also crystal clear for recording video and voiceovers. It's about as good as it gets without adding mixer into a equation. So guys, that's all about this video, and if you think these videos help you, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and guys, see you the next video. Sign out. Peace.